Hello, this is Connor Reinhardt. Today I'll be walking you through a business model canvas breakdown. So, what is the value proposition that Kyndi offers? Essentially, what is it so good at that you can't get anywhere else? So, what Kyndi offers its users is a AI language processing service that will process a ton of data for you that other companies can't. It will process on long form data, textual data, whereas most companies have to look for keywords or other simplified versions. They can truly offer you looking at all of these data and comb through it. And through there, it will make a decision or reach a conclusion based off whatever you want it to do. Whether you want it to highlight, determine something through the textual data, or what to think, what the language processing is looking for, what the article is about. It will reach a conclusion and then explain that conclusion to you with text. It'll tell you why it made this decision, which is different from the typical black box AI company. So, customer segment, what customers looking to buy this product? So, any industry where they need to actually explain their decision, but also want to use AI. So if they want to better improve their decision making, but they can't do that just by simply following a recommendation that an AI software would recommend, they can use this. So these are some, and then the industries listed below are industries that they list on their website as those at which they already found a foothold in. So the government defense business, these obviously really want to be on top of their game, and AI is very mobile, very active. It's a better decision maker than just the average human if they want to use this, but they can't just follow an AI recommendation for something. They need to know why it's making this decision, so that's why it's good there. Life sciences, pharmaceuticals. If like a doctor wants to tell, or if doctor's looking at a patient and wants to doesn't know what to offer them, doesn't know how to help them, but an AI could, but they just can't. They also can't just go off what the AI says. They would like to know why they're making this decision. Financial institutions, same way they're always on the cutting edge, bleeding edge of things, and they want to help as reformers, but if they don't know why it's doing so well, they would and they can help better train the humans making decisions. So that's why it's helpful there. And the manufacturers, uh, it's just similar reasons. They want to know why the AI is telling them what it is. So, so the customer relationship. How does Kyndi as a company interact with its users? They have a website, various social media accounts with which they can go back and forth with you. You can reach out to them. They can reach out to you through there if you want to. And they also do offer product tailoring. So when the companies reach out to them, they will help them go along their way. They've offered multiple different products, and they will help figure out which one best suits them. And then if that product needs to be changed at all to best suit the user, how it needs to be implemented through on their side, uh, either through like the AWS or cloud services they offer other different ways to help you use it on your side, on the customer side. The channels. So how do people find out about this company? They have some social media. If they're tweeting on social media or posting on Facebook, find out through them through there. If you're just like on the search engine and looking for Kyndi through there, like a company that offers similar service, you can find it through their website, and then word of mouth. If you're in an industry and someone else has adopted this and they're finding good success, uh, then there's a good chance if you hear about it that you will try to do the same. So, what is the revenue streams? So, they offer a subscription-based sales model to all of their customers, where the customers pay a fee for how long they want to use this product, and so it's a reoccurring fee that they have unlimited use of this product over a certain time, but they must pay at the start of a timeline for that. So, what's the key activities that this the company needs to engage in to keep growing? They need to keep advertising because they offer a very good product, and if they grow their customer base, that will help them increase revenue streams without any more software development work, but also another key aspect of that is then furthering their software development, product development, make the product better. So the people who continue, who are using your product right now will continue to use it, and then the people who are not using it as of now will still want to use it based off how good your product is becoming. So key resources that Kyndi has that makes it so good. It has this explainable AI technology, which is not only good at processing large amounts of long-form data, long-form text, but also will make a strong decision and then tell you why it makes this decision, which is important for a lot of companies, along with processing through this large amount of data. And then the software engineers they have are very important for growing, for developing the product, keeping it stable, as well as improving it as time goes on. So the key partnerships that Kyndi engages in that makes it help make it so successful. They partner with AWS. They're big into putting their product out through the cloud, and they use AWS to do that. So that's a very big part of their partnership. And then all of these companies listed below, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Deloitte, Entourage, Macozy, UiPath, were all listed on their website. And as thus they are key partners to them. They are using their actively using their technology and pushing it out there for others to use as well. So cost structure, what are they paying for? Just general administrative costs that they need, and then the salaries of all their employees. Advertising to grow grow their brand, grow their customer base. So they're paying a lot of advertisers to do this. And then web and cloud hosting, storing, hosting their product on the cloud, something they have to pay for. So the value proposition canvas for this for Kyndi. So the customer segment on the customer side. So what is the job the customer wants to give to you? Give to Kyndi is they want to be able to utilize AI software and then improve decision making. But AI often doesn't offer, it's just often a black box, doesn't offer you conclusions. And this is a barrier for entry for some companies. So the services that Kyndi offers is that it has the same benefits of a deep learning AI that uses a black box, but it also just tells you why it does it. So another pain on the customer side is not being able to understand why AI makes the decisions it does, and as well as processing large amounts of data, which is a big problem for some companies and some AI programs. So the pain reliever on the value proposition side, Kyndi side, their AI system is very good at processing large amounts of data and providing, as well as providing reasoning behind these decisions. And then the gains, you get all the benefits of AI, speed, better decision making, all while getting reasons behind these decisions. And they created this through their AI system, which has an optimized processor and tells you why it's good at